that, boy. Look at that. Y'all see that? Yo, look, the material all messed up. It's cause this durag is boy Rico baby. If you ain't brushing, you ain't swimming. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna be telling y'all what durags I recommend for all my beginner wavers. When you waving, you need the best durag. You don't want a durag that's gonna tear easy. And I had a lot of durags that was just like that. This is a Dream Deluxe Silky. This is a Dream Deluxe Silky, and these durags are thin. All right, these durags are thin. Let me show y'all. Y'all see right there? Look, it's tearing up. Like, it's tearing up for me. Like, y'all see it's tearing up already. Like, this durag is thin. The material on it is thin. That's what it's doing right here. Y'all see? Like, the material is stretching out and it's losing its hold. You don't want your durags looking like this, all right? Now, I've been using these Red by Kiss durags, man. You know, they scratchy. The material on it is scratchy, and it doesn't lose its pull. You know, it doesn't stretch out. You know what I'm saying? These durags are thick. So if you really trying to lay your hair down, lay your wolf down, you know, make sure you have a thick durag. You know, the thicker your durag is, the longer it's gonna last. All right, how thin the material. Look at that, man. Look at that. Y'all see that material? Like, look at that, boy. Look at that. Y'all see that? Yo, look, the material all messed up. It's cause this durag is thin. You know, it's not a thick material. It's not gonna help your hair out for a long time. You know, this durag is not gonna last you a whole month. All right. You see, I got this durag on right now. It's not as silky. It's like a polyester, but the material isn't stretching out. You see, the material is staying the same. Like, same with this. Like, same with this is the same Red by Kiss. You know, I've been using these. See that the material on these is thick, and it's not gonna stretch out like the thinner durag. When you're at the hair store, Walmart, or whatever, and you're trying to purchase a durag, make sure the material is thick, because you don't want to get a thin durag that's not gonna last you a month, or it just starts, you know, tearing up the first day. I had a lot of durags that did that. Material on this. Y'all see them? Look at that, man. Like, shoot. Look. You know how hard, you see how hard y'all be pulling on your durag when you doing like the washer style method, you trying to double compress. Like, you don't want your durag, you know, looking like this. Y'all don't want your durag looking like this. That's why I prefer a thicker durag, all right? There's a couple durag companies that have thick durags. Like, I used to wear this durag. It was called Titan, and it was thick. I had that durag for like a whole year. Like, I had a couple of them, but they was like still the same. They wasn't losing no pull. It had, you know, like, see this? I'm pulling this and it's still, you know, staying the same. That's what you want from your durag, all right? All right, I recommend thick durag, all right? And this is from Red by Kiss. This is Red by Kiss. I'm gonna leave the link below to this durag, all right, from Red by Kiss. And I recommend the Red by Kiss, the Titan. That's mostly the durags I've been wearing. This right here is Red by Kiss. I'm gonna leave the link down below to this rag right here.